Okay, ayan, makita nyo na, naka-full screen ba? Yes or no? Is it moving?
Yes.
Yes
Yes po,
po.
Doc.
Yes.
Okay, sige, start na tayo. Makita pa niyo kung nagway, wala na.
Makita.
Makita.
Kitang-kita po, Doc.
Swerte kayo mo. PowerPoint. Nag-wipe pa gid na ako. Perfect. Sige, let's start na. Sige, maayong hapon sa atong tanan. I will be discussing about your Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is what we call as your citric acid cycle. Okay? This is basically a continuation of what you had discussed with Dr. Salaver all about your glycolysis. Okay? So, ang focus natin ngayon na cycle is the Krebs cycle. Now, just a quick overview, no? Pag sinabi natin cellular respiration, because your glycolysis, yung Krebs cycle natin, your electron transport chain, they're under the general term your cellular respiration. Dok, ano pala yung cellular respiration? No? Cellular respiration is how the cell will turn the energy na galing sa food into ATP. No, ang endpoint natin dito is energy, ATP. Okay, that's why here, glycolysis, ATP. Krebs cycle, ATP. ETC, ATP. So basically, you want to generate ATP. Okay? Now, take a look at the diagram. There will be two important main inputs here. You have the food and you will have the oxygen. Okay? So, kaniyang gamit to no, sa imong cell, and take note, two important locations matter here. You have the mitochondria and you have your cytosol. No? Yung cytosol is basically the fluid portion of the cell. Okay? The mitochondria is said to be the powerhouse of the cell. Mamugin na itong ginaingon na mention na, no? And again, first, you have your glycolysis. Tapos na tayo sa discussion nyo with Dr. Salaver about glycolysis, no? We start with glucose. And in glycolysis, the glucose here is split into two molecules of pyruvic acid. That's why endpoint ng ating glycolysis, you generate ATP and you generate pyruvic acid. What is now the net worth? How many ATPs now? Net worth na ginawa na produce natin sa glycolysis. Ilang ATP yon? What will be the payout? Ha?
Dalawa po.
Dalawa. Very good, no? Endpoint natin is dalawang ATP. But again, it's not only the ATP that we're after here. You also produce your pyruvic acid. Now, your pyruvic acid here now will be used up, no, gagamitin para makapasok sa Krebs cycle. But again, take note, it's not the pyruvic acid ang papasok dito sa ating Krebs cycle, no? Therefore, you need another important reaction to happen, no? Kasi yung pyruvic acid, hindi yan yung kailangan natin for Krebs cycle. Your pyruvic acid here must be converted into, what do you think? Anong product na dapat ma-convert si pyruvic acid? Okay, nakahilom ang all. Wala pa estudyante. Very good. Your acetyl-CoA. Very good. Ang acetyl-CoA ang kailangan natin sa Krebs cycle. Now, pyruvic acid here, dalawang pyruvic to ha, isang glucose, dalawang pyruvic acid. That pyruvic acid should undergo what we call as pyruvate oxidation, no? It's not part of the glycolysis, it's not part of the Krebs cycle. Tinatawag namin tong link reaction in the mitochondrion, no? Before the Krebs cycle, there's a crucial link step, the pyruvate oxidation. Each pyruvate enters the, bawat pyruvic acid here, papasok sa ating mitochondrial matrix, no? And ititrim siya into acetyl-CoA. So, acetyl-CoA ang ating product here. But it's not only the acetyl-CoA ang product natin dito. Nakaka-generate ka rin ng isang NADH at isang carbon dioxide. But, Doc, in pyruvate oxidation, may na-generate ba tayong ATP? Wala. No? Again, your pyruvate oxidation is just a link between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Hindi siya glycolysis, hindi siya Krebs cycle. Therefore, you don't have to produce energy. Wala kang energy to produce. And take note, aside from the pyruvic acid, ilang NADH ang ating na-produce dito? Ilang NADH? 2. Dalawa. Kasi nga, dalawang pyruvic acid at ilang carbon dioxide?
Dalawa.
Lalawasan naman ako mga estudyante. Uy, maluya dyan kung yan, hindi mo manubag pa nung bagong dyan tamuron. Masumbag yapon ko, bisa na ako sa kuan, ako sa online. Tinghala lang mo, dahil nanguhit sa inyo ha, tik lang. Again ha, panubag lang, good mo, oy. So therefore, in one glucose, you produce 2 pyruvic acid. In pyruvic oxidation, yung dalawang pyruvic acid, ilang NADH ang naproproduce natin sa dalawang pyruvic acid?
2.
2. Ilang carbon dioxide?
2.
2 din po.
Very good. Okay, very good. Duhara siya akong student na nabilin din eh. Okay, dalawa. So therefore, nakaproduce ka na ng acetyl-CoA, dalawang acetyl-CoA, dalawang NADH, at saka dalawang CO2. Pero, ang kailangan natin sa Krebs cycle will be your acetyl-CoA. Okay, tingnan natin. Summary table, glycolysis, tapos na kayo nito kay Dr. Ian, tama? Dalawang NADH ang na-produce nyo at saka dalawang pyruvate. But again, the link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle is the pyruvate oxidation. Again, this is not cellular respiration. No? Ang cellular respiration dito is yung glycolysis, yung Krebs, yung ATC kasi you generate ATP. But in pyruvate oxidation, i-emphasize ng nako diri, ang main input natin, the raw material is your pyruvate, which is converted into acetyl-CoA, NADH, at saka CO2. For one pyruvate, one acetyl-CoA, one NADH, one CO2, and there's no energy being produced. Our discussion for today will focus more on the Krebs cycle. Pero gusto nyo na ko ni-emphasize si pyruvate oxidation sa kasi nga, no link mo na siya between glycolysis and your Krebs cycle. And I guess in the final term, you will be discussing about your electron transport. No? So sa muna siyang first topic sa final term na to. Okay? So focus na to muna is kaning duha ay yung Krebs cycle muna. Okay? So we're done with the introduction, no? Overview sa Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is what we call as your tricarboxylic acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle. Location, saan natin ito makikita? Mitochondrial matrix, no? What will be the main function? Oxidation of your acetyl-CoA to release your stored energy, no? So therefore, ang main buhaton nato sa acetyl-CoA, ma-oxidize ang imuhang acetyl-CoA para makaproduce ka og energy. Okay? Now, what will be our key highlights here? Central pathway of cellular respiration. Meaning to say, siya ang tunga. Actually, na si Krebs cycle, siya ang tunga, no, sa tanang processes. Kita ng processes mo always iyaha, or siya ang center. Okay? Links carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism. Kasi nga, ano yung mga different substances mo link na padulong sa atuang Krebs cycle. Kaya it's very important that you understand Krebs cycle kasi nga siya ang tunga, siya ang center. Okay? It will generate high energy molecule for your ATP kasi ang gusto nato makaproduce ng energy. Okay? So, again, your Krebs cycle converts acetyl-CoA into CO2 while transferring electrons to NADH and your FADH2. Kailangan nato ng NADH o FADH2 sa atong ETC kasi nga they will generate energy later on. Okay? So, our goal here is not only the ATP na directly na-produce sa Krebs cycle, but also these different electrons here, no, yung NADH and FADH. That's why later on, step by step, dapat kabaluta asa na-produce ang NADH, asa na-produce ang FADH. We will try to discuss that one by one. Okay? Now, this is the entire Krebs cycle. No? If you try to look at here, sayon lang kayo, mura man yung 8 naman nakabook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very easy. No? Sayon na kayo. Pero in reality, mo okay na siya gang. No? Kung tanaw na to, complicated ba ang cycle? Yes or no? Complicated? Tanawan niyo, complicated dili?
Dili siya rin siya.
Complicated.
Very good. Uy! Complicated ana gang oy. So since complicated, skip na lang nato ni. No? Bonus na lang ni. Okay? So okay ta na skip na lang?
Yes, Doc.
Oh, sige.
Yes, Doc.
Okay, sige. Skip na lang. That ends our lecture. Thank you. Uy, pag sumbagot na mo. Uy, dili ay. Ito ni, paningkamutan nato. Pagi ka ng acetyl-CoA, i-add mo sa oxalo, maging citrate, maging kani, and it will involve different enzymes. Okay? So, at your level, ang gusto lang na kung ibalan ninyo is, unsang pangalan sa process sa step, ikaw pilang step, unsang pangalan, unsa ang raw material, unsa ang enzyme na gigamit, ug unsa ang final product na to. No? 5 lang kabuok, pero wurag, tanan gyapon. Okay, sige lang. Ato mo na siyang step by step. Step number 1. Oh, kita mo sa kong effects. Oh, no, wala yan. Si Doc Ian, hindi siya kabaluan eh. No? As a Gen Z myself, knows the different transition. No? Wala kabalo si Doc Ian. Ano yung transition ni Doc Ian? Ito yung letter na mag-isa-isag tagak. Mo pala siyang time. Okay? Sige, karon at least ha, focus sa taaning pula. No? Diri sa sa box. Munang step 1. Okay. Step 1 is what we call as condensation. Okay. Di ba remember, katong first pathway nato ganina, kanabas ani? Ay, wait lang ha. Ako din siyang i-laser pointer. See, naka-laser pointer ko. Di ka balusudok yan, Ana. Okay. Now, take note. First pathway, tanawa to, ang pyruvate. Asa gani ni gikan ng pyruvate nato? Gikan sa?
Glycolysis.
Gikan sa?
Glycolysis.
Gikan sa PowerPoint gang. Ay dili, gikan sa very good, gikan sa glycolysis, no? Ang pyruvate nato ganina gikan sa glycolysis. Ang goal nato si pyruvate ma-transform into acetyl-CoA. What do you call that reaction gani? Atong pyruvate to acetyl-CoA? Sa tawag ato?
Pyruvic oxidation.
Very good. No, we call it now pyruvate oxidation. Now, during this pyruvate oxidation, pyruvate is converted into acetyl-CoA via the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. And during this step, tingnan nyo, yung CoA is added to your pyruvate. Gi-add mo siya, and aside from that, nakita ninyo itong reaction, ang oxidized NAD nato na-reduce into NADH. And you will also able to generate carbon dioxide. Di ba remember kanina, sabi natin, during pyruvate oxidation, you form acetyl-CoA, you form CO2, and you form NADH. Klaro, no? Very good. So therefore, since dalawang pyruvate man, dalawang CO2, dalawang NADH, at saka dalawang acetyl-CoA. Okay? We are still not in the Krebs cycle, ha? Wala pa na siyang Krebs cycle. Now, the Krebs cycle happens when your acetyl-CoA is added to the oxaloacetate. The first raw material na gigamot nato ang oxaloacetate. But take note ha, napoy araw diri. Ang pyruvate pala, pwede po siya gamiton to form oxaloacetate. No? Nagiging intermediate step po siya. Again, ang pyruvate, pwede po ta ma-form into oxaloacetate via the enzyme pyruvate carboxylase. Okay? So, therefore, pyruvate, pwedeng acetyl-CoA, pwedeng oxaloacetate. Now, your pyruvate, na kay acetyl-CoA here, i-add mo sa oxaloacetate, and what will be our product here? You form citrate. That's it. Acetyl-CoA plus oxaloacetate will form now your citrate via the enzyme citrate synthase. Okay? That's step number 1. Okay? So, step number 1, na-memorize naman nato, nasabtan, yes or no?
Yes, daw.
Any questions or clarification? Okay, diri gyud ta mga luya, pag wa na mo tubag gawa jud ko makita sa akong makita sa monitor no PowerPoint ra jud gawa jud ko kakita sa mga dagway. Okay ba tayo diyan?
Yes, doc.
Yes, daw.
Okay, magduha ra mo diyan. Masulod ko be para makita na ko yung mga reaction mo. Wait lang. Wait lang ha. Asa itong link ani? Pasulod ko para makita na ko inyong reaction. Gabi. Okay, joining. As join. Sudla ko, class president. Join now. Ayan. Uy, ang pogi ko. Shucks. Ayan. Alright. Ayan. Makita na kayo mga reaction. Wala tayo naka-on ang camera ninyo dira. Sakit yung ulo mong gano'n. Ay, sakit ang ulo. Ano ba na yan? Alright. Wait lang dyan lang. Okay. Okay, at least makita na kayo mga reaction, okay? Pag kuan daw bi, pag haha react daw bi, haha. Sige, very good. Kita na ko mga haha. Okay, 63 na kabuok. Sige, start na tagang. Okay? Okay, sana tayo. Step 1, goods tayo? Goods man? Say yes, man di?
Yes, Doc.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, alright. Alam mo ito, mga suko gang. Okay, sige, sana tayo. So, we're done with step 1. Focus na tayo sa step number 2. No? Behold. Oh, kita sa effects, no? Naka-transition na gang. Excuse me. Okay, step number 2 na tayo. No? So, ang focus na nato, diri na ta sa citrate. Okay? Citrate na punta, padulong isocitrate. We call this isomerization. Dok, kung saan ang isomerization? Isomerization, citrate is isomerized to isocitrate by the rearrangement of the molecule in the presence of what enzyme? Wait lang, sukuan ko. In the presence of your aconitase. Okay, now, Doc, anong nangyayari dito, Doc? Wait lang dyan, lugab lang ko. Okay, so this reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme aconitase. Okay, aconitase works into two small phases. So, duha kay mga mahitabuan na duha ka phases na mahitabuan ni. Napansin niyo dito, the first one is that your citrate, you remove water from it. You remove water from the citrate via the enzyme aconitase. Therefore, ang product is cis-aconitate. Okay? Now, what's another phase? The another phase is you add again the water. O, di ba parang tanga lang? No? Kita nga lang water, gibutang nga na po, no? Parang ewan si purpose nimo. Pero here's the sa tawag ani, term ani, money or whatever na term. Ang point ani is that yung water natin dito is added at the different location. Okay? So gitanggalan ni mong tubig diri, no? Via the enzyme aconitase, nahimo siyang cis-aconitate. Abi nato urag buang-buang siya kay gibutangan na pug water pero at the different location. Kaya naging de-isocitrate na siya. From citrate, endpoint natin is isocitrate. Kaya nga isomerization because the process is just a rearrangement of the molecule. So Doc, in step number 2, isomerization, product, isocitrate. Very simple. Yes or no? Nasabtan?
Yes.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Very good. Very simple. Okay. Hung mantagang. Okay. Step number 3 na tayo. Okay. Step number 3. Step number 3 is what we call as the first oxidative decarboxylation. Ay! Ang animal kayo siya ni Jagang. Animal na. Naka-record ba yan ha? Naka-record ni animal. Hello. Say hi, Dereka. Hi. No?
Hi,
Animal.
Doc.
Bawat ako pa-goods.
Hi, Doc.
Nakalagit ko, no?
Na-record niya yan? Pwede pa-upload sa video sa YouTube.
Ay, wala ka na ako gilibak, gang. Buutan ko karon. Bisan isang libak, wala, June. Nagaha sila. Nalibak ka, gang.
Naang ng libak.
Naglibak ko, gang, wala.
Wala po.
Yes.
Naglibak ko, wala.
Wala daw.
Wala.
Oh,
Wala, uy.
Wala. Oy, wala. Kasi advisor ninyo. Sa question ni Panig. Naglibak ko, wala. Wala, di ba?
Wala daw.
Wala lagi. Wala lagi. Kaya maglakas ako, gang.
Nakalimutan ka na.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. Thank you so much for protecting me. Because of that, may plus points kayo sa akin. The sad part is, dili ako ang mo record, ana. Dili po ako ang record sa score. So, wala ko'y mabuhat. So, sige lang. I-plus points ko na lang kayo sa heaven. Okay, anyway, shall we continue? Okay, no, na-disturb na noon. Wapo na kayo kong dynamics kung mo kung sa lover. Okay, sige, balik ta ha. Isomerization, rearrangement. Step number 3 na ta. Dili na ta magkalisod-lisod na. Step number 3 is what we call as the first oxidative decarboxylation. No? Bakit siya tinawag na first? Kasi hindi siya second. First siya yung pinakauna. Okay? So, first oxidative decarboxylation. Tawanan ako. Pati ako nagkatawa sa pagkiingon. Okay. Anong first? Hindi siya second. Okay. Isocitrate is oxidized to alpha ketoglutarate. Tanawa na to. Ang isocitrate daw is oxidized into alpha ketoglutarate in two-step reaction. Okay, again, no? Ang enzyme responsible for this process is isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay? Isocitrate dehydrogenase. But take note, during this reaction, yung NAD+, kita niyo yung NAD+, nato din, no? Yung NAD+, or what we call as oxidized NAD, is reduced into NADH, no? You want that reduced because that reduced will capture high energy electron. So kaning mga reduced product nato magamit na sa ATC, no? And that in the ATC you produce more ATP. So we will try to discuss that later on. So again, no, you will able to produce your NADH, okay? And aside from that, during this process you release also your CO2. Therefore, if I ask in the exam, which step do you see the first NADH? Which step? Step number
3.
Very good. Your step number 3, your first oxidative decarboxylation. Dito tayo unang nakaproduce ng NADH. Dito tayo unang nakaproduce ng carbon dioxide. Okay? So, isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate. Therefore, atong product, alpha ketoglutarate, NADH, and your CO2. Very simple, Kaya ra? Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay, sige, continue tayo. Step number 4. Again ha, dili lang number, dapat kabalo mo usa ng meaning anong step 4 ha. Step number 4, second oxidative decarboxylation. Nganong gitawag nato siyang second? Kay dili siya first. Siya ang musunod sa first. Kaya second oxidative decarboxylation. No, ang dami niyo natutunan sa akin ngayon for sure. Okay, ketoglutarate here is converted into succinyl-CoA, no? Then what happens here is you use different another enzyme you use here is your alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Tingnan nyo, meron kang CoA, no? And that CoA now is added to the product. Kaya tinawag ang product na succinyl-CoA. Now this reaction also causes the reduction of your oxidized NAD into reduced NADH. And take note, meron ka ding na form na carbon dioxide. That's why the product will show us succinyl-CoA, NADH, and CO2. Hala, Doc, familiar. Wala na siyang step 3. Kasi nga, step 3 is the first. Step 4 is the second. Step 3, you produce NADH and CO2. Step 4, you produce NADH and CO2. Makes sense now. So, at this juncture, what a ghosting. At this point in time, pila na ka NADH atong na-produce? Pila na ka NADH? 2.
Dalawa.
Very good. Pila na ka CO2 atong na-produce?
2.
Duha na po. No, very good. Okay. Step number 5 na tadok. Okay. In step number 5, succinyl-CoA is converted into succinate. Okay. Via what enzyme? Via the enzyme succinyl-CoA synthase. Okay, synthetase. Or tinatawag na mo ng succinate thiokinase. The same lang na sila. Okay? During this step, the high energy bond in succinyl-CoA is broken. No? You broke down your succinyl-CoA and you release energy. No? Tingnan nyo, yung GDP dito, nagiging GTP. And again, GTP can readily be converted into ATP. Aside from that, you release the CoA. Nawala na ang CoA pwede na siya i-recycle sa Krebs. So, na-release na ang CoA. So, therefore, step number 5 is the only step in the Krebs cycle that directly forms ATP. No? Maura gyud nang step sa imuhang Krebs cycle na nakaproduce kang ATP via GTP because that GTP is directly converted into ATP. Nasabtan ba nato? Again, if I ask in the exam, in which step did you directly produce ATP? What is your answer?
Step 5.
Step 5.
Number 5. Again ha, not only knowing, dapat kabalo mo unsa ng step 5 ha, basi number na po din rebalan. Okay? Step 5 for the substrate level phosphorylation. Okay, very good. So again, dali na kayo do kayo. Tayo naman kining Krebs. Step 3 and 4, nakaproduce kag tag isa-isa per step NADH ug CO2. Step 5, you produce ATP, no? Okay, kaya nga ang product na to diri succinate. Oy, remember ang CoA, no? Matanggal ning CoA diri sa succinyl-CoA, ma-recycle lang. And your GTP, 1 ATP only. Okay, let's proceed. Step number 6. Step number 6 is what we call as dehydrogenation. Okay? So, Doc, kung sa'yo naitabuan ni Doc, succinate is oxidized to fumarate. No? Succinate also transfers 2 hydrogen together with their electrons to FAD, which forms now FADH2. However, dili makita dili sa reaction. No? I'm very sorry. Pero from FAD, mahimong FADH2. Electron acceptor gihapon na sila, no? Mo carry high energy bond na i-convert sa ATC into energy. So wala siyang NADH gihapon. So that's why you form succinate, you form from succinate, you form fumarate, and you also produce FADH2. That is now step number 6. Okay? So let's review. 3 ug 4 nakaproduce ko og isa ka NADH, isa ka CO2 per step. Step 5, nakaproduce kog ATP, isa ka buo. Step 6, nakaproduce kog FADH, isa pod ka buo. No, so far, dahil naman dahil 3, 4, 5, 6, wala yung pinaka-importante so far. Okay? But again, you have to memorize everything. That's the sad part. Okay, step number 7. 7 is what we call as hydration. No? Fumarate is converted into malate. Fumarate is converted into malate. From the name itself, hydration. Therefore, you add water, no? Fumarate is converted to malate by the addition of water. You add water across the double bond and you form malate. Mo lang yung ganap. You just convert fumarate to malate via the enzyme fumarase, no? So wala kay siya ganap. But of course, you still have to remember this. Uy, last step na ta. Ay, very easy naman di ay. Step number 8. Your step number 8 is what we call as dehydrogenation. Dok, kung sa'yo naitabo dira, Dok. Step number 8 here is that your malate is oxidized, no, via the enzyme malate dehydrogenase to form oxaloacetate. But using the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, but you also cause the reduction of your NAD from an oxidized NAD, naka-form ka og reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, no? Basta NADH ang pangalan ana reduced, no? So you form 1 NADH. Okay? Uy, 1 NADH. Unsang mga steps gani naka-produce ka og NADH? What's your answer?
3 and 4.
Very good. 3, 4, and 8. No? You're able to produce NADH. So again, let's try to recall ha. 3 and 4, nakaproduce kong NADH, nakaproduce kong CO2. 5, nakaproduce kong ATP. 6, nakaproduce kong FADH. And 8, nakaproduce na po kong NADH. Now remember, this is only 1 acetyl-CoA. Diba 200 ka acetyl-CoA? Sige, let's start first with 1 acetyl-CoA. In 1 acetyl-CoA, how many NADH were you able to produce?
3.
How many CO2?
2.
How many ATP?
1.
1.
How many FADH?
1.
1.
Very good. Now, what if, Doc, 1 glucose molecule? In 1 glucose molecule, nakay duha ka what you call this pa, nakay duha ka acetyl-CoA. Now, in 1 glucose molecule that will enter Krebs cycle, how many NADH were you able to produce?
6.
Very good. How many CO2?
4.
4.
How many FADH?
2.
How many ATP?
2.
2.
Very bright. This is now the entire cycle of your Krebs. No? Very easy na, no? Sus, dali arap pwede naman ni piyungan. Dili pwede piyungan kay memorization gihapon nato. That's the sad part. But of course, no, don't worry, no? I have already made a table that will help you memorize this one. Kung naka-table, dali na siya mahinumduman. Na ang step, na ang name, na ang reaction, na ang enzyme, na ang product, no, mga important notes, no? Thank you to me. Kaya ako na lang dyan naningkamot para sa inyo, ha? Okay? So, i-memorize na lang dyan ng table, ga. Kaya nasabtan naman, no? Salamat sa kuha. Salamat.
Thank you, Doc.
Dog.
Thank you po, Doc.
Yeah. Okay, sige, let's review. Review tayo, madali ang review lang. Okay. So, per 1 acetyl-CoA, 2 CO2. Tama, no? 2 ka CO2, 2 ka NADH, 1 ka FADH, 1 ka ATP. Naga-make sense na ba ang number dire? Yes or no? Make sense na?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, no, sus, dali na. Per 1 glucose, syempre, isa ka glucose, 2 ka acetyl-CoA. So, nag-make sense, i-doble lang mo. Guys, muna yung importante nga nung kailangan na mga sabtan ng NADH o FADH. Kay, sa ETC later, i-discuss na Dr. Shalaver sa final term, masabtan ninyo na isa ka NADH o FADH, musulod na sa ETC, no? O mag-generate na sila daghang energy. Tanawan ninyo, sorry. Each NADH will yield about 2 ka ATP. So, isa ka NADH, 2 na ka ATP gang. Isa ka FADH, 2 ha. No? Therefore, the energy yield from the Krebs cycle alone is approximately per acetyl-CoA. Pila ka NADH kung isa ka acetyl-CoA, 2. No? Isa ka NADH is equivalent to 3 ATP. 2 ka NADH times 3. Kasi 1 NADH will produce 3 ATP, kaya times 3. Tapos, pila ka FADH ato na-produce? Isa. Isa ka FADH is equivalent to 2 ka ATP, kaya times 2. O pila ka ATP ato na-produce, ani? Isa lang. So, 1. So, since isa na ka ATP, times 1. Okay? So, equals 12 ATP. So, per acetyl-CoA, you will have 12 ATP in the Krebs cycle alone. Now, if it's per glucose, how many ATP were you able to produce? A total of approximately 24. Does this make sense? Naga-make sense?
Yes, Doc.
See? No, how na kayo ta? Okay? Okay, tingnan natin dito. 1 glucose, 2 pyruvate, 6 CO2, 8 NADH, 2 ATP, 2 FADH. Hala, Doc, may something wrong. 2 ka FADH, 2 ka ATP, tama man na, kay isang ka glucose. Pero anong na 8 naman ni ka NADH? Ano na unom? Di ba dapat 4 o 6? Mali na, yes or no? Mali? Tama. Tama, mali?
No.
No, very good. Mali na tama.
Mala.
Tama.
Tama. No, kamo ang mali. Ano yung labda ha? Magbutang mali kung mali na sa akong PowerPoint, no? So tama, jud na agang. Hala, Dok, ano na tama man na, Dok? Ibutang na ako, agang mali, malibog-libog na mo. Pero, remember, ngano nadungag duha ang CO2 diri o nganong 8 ang nadungag diri? Ngano nadungag duha ni? Asa gikan ng isa pa ka CO2, 2 ka CO2 ug 2 ka NADH?
Oxidation of pyruvate.
Okay, very good. Naalala niyo yung pyruvate oxidation? Di ba katong pyruvate oxidation, makaproduce kag tag isa-isa ka CO2 ug isa-isa ka NADH. Pero di ba duha ka acetyl-CoA man na siya yung mga produce, duha ka pyruvate man. So therefore, nag-add kag duha ka CO2 diri kaya unom, nag-add ko kag duha ka NADH. Tanawan niyo, products of oxidation of pyruvate to Krebs. Pero pag Krebs alone lang na 4 CO2, 6 NADH. So, meaning to say, don't worry in the exam, specify na ako kung asa gikan. For email ko na, Krebs cycle alone na product or gikan pa sa pyruvate na oxidation. Make sense? Yes or no? Tama?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is now the entire Krebs cycle. No? Sige lang guys ha, you try to memorize yun ha. I-memorize yun ninyo ng ang step, kung saan yung mga product dire, kung sa ilang mga other products, kung sa ang enzyme. Muma lang na, dili na lang ako i-complicate ang all. Basta kabalo lang din mo sa kasunod, kung sa tong step number 1. Di ba step number 1 is condensation, tama ba? Step number 2 is isomerization. Step number 3 is the first decarboxylation. Second, fourth is the second. The fifth, I forgot. The sixth, I forgot. The 7 and 8, I forgot. No? First 4 lang ako na yung plan. Pero, sad to say, estudyante man mo, kamo ako memorize ato. Okay? Naka-table naman na gang. Okay? So, nasa yung mga mnemonics, no? Don't worry. You try to search a lot of mnemonics in the internet. Daghan kayo ng mga mnemonics na makatabang sa inyo, ha? No, na yung mga English mnemonics. I even search ChatGPT, na mga mnemonics ni ChatGPT, no? Katawan na lang ko. Based sa mga product, no? For example, citrate, isocitrate. Muna yung first mnemonic. Chris, isang anong suway sa farm mo, oh. Di ba? Wala nag-make sense. Walang tulong, no? So, we try na ako sa ChatGPT, what if Bisaya daw? Bisaya mnemonic. Mo po niyang mnemonics ni ChatGPT. Si Sita, isug kaayo. Ayaw siya sa muka fran. Murag og tiguwang. O, di ba? Wala po na make sense. No? Pero kaning last mnemonics ni ChatGPT, medyo naga-make sense. Si Sita, isug nga anay. Sigig sayaw forever. Murag utanon. Kasi utanon. No? So, gitry English ni Kuan ba ni ChatGPT. Sita, the brave termite keeps dancing forever like a vegetable. Weird. No, weird ChatGPT. So, again, nagkakita mga mnemonics. No? You can make your own mnemonics. No? Pwede nyo i-brace based na lang sa mga products. No? Para kabalo na lang mo sa mga product. No? So, pwede nyo i-base ana. Okay. First product, citric acid. Second product, ana-ana. Okay? So, again, ha, paningkamuta lang dyan na ninyo. I know, medyo daghan yung memorize on, ani, but at least, kabalo mo sa process. Okay? Mag-guidan mo. Tanawa mga products, 2-ATP, 2-FAD-H, 60O2, and 8-NAD-H. No? Pag naglibog ta ani kaya again, no, gikan ni sa pyruvate oxidation pag yun. Dili lang ni Krebs cycle nga product. Okay? So, tingnan nyo. Okay? Akala nyo sa glycolysis, glucose to ATP lang, no? Aba na to, yan na lang. Pero Krebs cycle, yan yung dagway. No? Yan yung dagway. Okay, all right. Nasabdan ba na to? Very simple lang, yes or no?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc. No, very easy. Okay. Sige. And